What the fuck?
I love you. I love you. Check it out. You piece of shit! Fucking cock ass! What are you doing? What the fuck? Trying to watch my figure. Can I have a junior Western bacon cheese?
No, just looking around. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
You piece of shit! Cock push-ups? Cock push-ups? It's where you fucking lay down flat on the ground, and then you let your boner lift you up off the ground. Ah, shut up! Now, if you could take a Coca-Cola and just go half Coca-Cola, half Diet Coke.
I told you I'll be there in 10 minutes. Come on.
How much is that, sir? How much is that, sir?
£5.
Fuck you!
No,
Fuck my ass. What else? Fuck my ass. What else?
What the fuck is that? What the fuck you instead? Oh.
Okay. Better, closer, warmer. How's it going? Oh man!
I'll go on a text.
What's that? You hung up on it. Whoa, where did she come from?
As I said, you